This spacious 5-bedroom home sits on a large corner lot in a sought-after area, near dining, shopping, interstate, beach, downtown and bases. If desired, the second closet in the primary bedroom, a large walk-in, could be turned into a 6th bedroom. The downstairs has a large bedroom with full bath and laundry room, could be used for a mill suite, offering stairless access from the garage and 3 steps to the kitchen. Owner has done several upgrades: new roof 2018, dishwasher 2021, water heater 2018, new dual-zone HVAC, fridge, underground wires from pole, upgrade of electrical and all new wiring throughout in 2016. It boasts great attic space and 2 driveways, which should hold 6+ cars.